Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. And this is a continuation of our resolution series. So we're talking about New Year's resolutions that we feel we should have as the construction industry. What can we change? What can we do better? So Eddie, what's up this week?
Gain a new perspective. Okay, so I want you to look at a tier, air quotes, above and below you, all right? The person or people that you work for, the person or people that work for you. I want you to either go up or down, like in that ladder of kind of construction hierarchy where we get things done.
Yeah.
And I want you to try to just engage them in a meaningful conversation that helps you understand what their day is like. Help you understand, like, what's hard for them to get done. What is a struggle?
Yeah.
What gets in their way? What makes life better? What kind of things do they want on repeat? Like, what kind of things make them succeed? And you will all of a sudden gain a perspective that you did not have. And I'm betting it's going to make you better at what you do.
So my daughter is a great example of doing this. Okay. So if I am going to do something, anything around the house, let's say I'm building a shelf. She's really good at just being like, hey, Dad, why are you doing that? What do you mean? What does that mean? What's that? What's that? It gets a little annoying at times, I will admit. But the point is she's just kind of approaching it with this innocence, approaching it with this, just tell me. I'm curious. I just want to know. So when you go to these people below you and above you, approach them with this childlike innocence of just wanting understanding. Okay. And maybe even convey that to them. Just being like, hey, listen, I just want to understand what's going on around me even more. And just taking that time, like, they'll probably appreciate it, for one, because they could talk about themselves. And that's one thing that we've learned is people like talking about themselves. They will appreciate you taking the time out. So I would also say this, don't do this during like a normal, like, hey, we have our standing Monday meeting, that sort of thing. Let's schedule a separate time for this, right? Like, let's go out on a limb and let's say, hey, I really want to sit down with you at lunch. Or, like, can I buy you a lunch via Zoom or something? And you just hang out in your truck. Like, let's just chat. Like, let's just talk. I just am trying to understand something.
Yep.
So, all right, guys. Well, there you have it. And next week, we also got another one coming your way on this resolution series. I'm excited to get to it. It's another doozy. So go build something awesome.